Asslamo Alekum friends. Today I'll tell you how to upload a video. Simple, go to Google Chrome and write here white studio. Here will come white studio. Simple. Go here. Login. Yes, here is. Then wait just a minute. Then this will come. Then you look here. Wait, when this loading blue will complete, then you will look here wrote create. Then you will click this create. Then you are looking here wrote upload videos, and simple click to then upload videos. You look here, select the file. Look here, you're looking, select the file. Then select the files. Then this photo and videos. You look here, photos and videos. Then you look here. Oh no, then you look here. Look here up. There are some. Look here. This up corner 3 lines. You click here. Then here you look. Here is gallery. You will click to gallery. So any video you need. Then like I need this video. Then I'll. Oh no, select the file that was photo. So gallery. So look like I need this. So it's uploading. So you'll write for this video anything. And then you will look here. Anything, but I don't want to upload. Then you look here, look here, look here. Then you will look here. Here is upload file. Then you'll click it. Then you'll click to browser, then again you'll click to 3 line, then again gallery, then any thumbnail you will take from here, any thumbnail like I'll take it. Then look, then select your maths, any reading. I'm taking stories. So done. It's made for kids. Click here. Look here wrote. Yes. No. Here wrote. Yes, it's made for kids. So you'll look here wrote next. Here wrote next. You will this download next. Then again you click next. Again next. Now don't click save. You are looking here public. You will click this public. You will click to this public, and you will click. No. You will click to this publish. This you're looking, but I am not uploading the video, so I'll not click to publish. So bye bye kids. You understand? I think so. You understand. Bye bye. Bye bye.